Hi friends, welcome to Automotive World. Today we'll discuss about most weighted cars that will launch in 2021. Yes friends, we'll discuss about 5 cars which most of them are eagerly waiting to launch, and few companies delayed their launch because of pandemic. Let's quickly look into what are those. So the first one is, as you can see on the screen, it's a Mahindra all new Scorpio, and this is based on new next generation model. The image which you see, it doesn't look like that. I have a spied image, I'll show you in my next slide. But Mahindra claims that they are building this car on next new generation model, and you can see a lot of luxury interiors in it, like 8-inch touchscreen, leather seats, keyless entry, electronic sunroof, fully digital instrument cluster, and it, as usual, it comes up with 2-liter BS6 compliant engine, and it will produce 170 bhp, and you can see 400 newton meter torque. That's what I'm talking about. So and we can expect it start with 11 lakhs ex-showroom price, base model, and it can go on to 17 to 18 lakhs also. So and we are not sure, हालांकि महिंद्रा स्कॉर्पियो का पुराना मॉडल ग्लोबल एनकैप का रेटिंग कुछ खास नहीं है, सो वी नीड टू सी इफ दे डिसाइड टू परफॉर्म सेंड दिस व्हीकल टू ग्लोबल एनकैप टेस्टिंग. आप इसके स्पाइड इमेज दे सकते हैं. This is a spied image, so this is how it looked like. So our next car would be Nissan Magnite. Yes friends, Nissan has lot of hopes. Nissan MD Rakesh Srivastav says that this vehicle would be a game changer in compact SUV, and Nissan का कोई भी मॉडल खास परफॉर्मेंस नहीं कर रहा मार्केट में. Nissan Kicks, I am afraid Nissan Kicks दिखने में बहुत अच्छा रहता, मगर it got very less response. And what else? Nissan Sunny भी Nissan का खास कुछ नहीं चला. Nissan Micra भी flop हुआ. So Nissan is having all hopes on this new game changer that is called Magnite. And Nissan का official website में you can see all the image of Magnite, and Nissan says that this will be a game changer, and they will price it very aggressively. They're saying that they probably price it close to 6 lakhs, but in different domains I got to know that you would expect, I mean, it can be launched between 6.45 to 6.65 lakh, and it will come with a lot of luxurious features like cruise control, 360-degree camera, steering mounted controls, automatic climate control, and as of now we are hearing that it will come with one of the variant which will provide 1-liter turbo petrol option, which produce 100 bhp. So 100 bhp means close to Nexon. Nexon will produce somewhere around 18, Kia Sonet will produce somewhere around 118, and Venue also will produce around 115. So this will stand close to all the compact SUVs. 100 bhp is not a bad speed at all. So we can see images. You can see images apart from what website claims. This says that this model is designed in Japan, but it is designed purely for India. And आप image में देख सकते हैं the black and red texture. It looks very very premium, especially doors का you can see chrome finish and black and red texture. It looks completely premium. Images तो बहुत premium लगता है, and instrumentation cluster you can see it looks very premium. Similarly, touchscreen by image I can say it looks close to 8.5 inch, and इसका back seat space भी ठीक ठाक दिख रहा है image में, and it looks very premium compact SUV. and अपना next model है Tata HPX. हाँ दोस्तों, Tata HPX, and they are planning to launch it. Actually Tata plan to launch it this year end or Q1 of 2021, but you can expect a slight delay from Tata because of pandemic. Pratap Bose, Vice President of Tata Global Design, says that this is one of the dream project, and he says that this is the concept car, and he would like to get 90% of concept vehicle as realistic as a real production car. And when it was displayed in Auto Expo 2020 Auto Expo, when he was talking to Renuka, one of the famous hosts of Autocar, he said that this is his dream concept car and it is a dream project, and he would like to get 90 to 95% of concept car as real as the market model. So agar if that is the case, then you can see in the next slides, if you can see 90-95% का कॉन्सेप्ट वेरिएंट रियल करना है, तो मेरे हिसाब से ये व्हील्स चेंज हो जाएंगे एंड ऊपर का कैरियर निकल जाएगा. सो बाकी पूरा इट विल रिमेन द सेम. दैट्स व्हाट आई अज्यूम. सो this is more than hatchback and this is less than compact SUV. That is what Tata says, and it will come with naturally 1.2 liter engine which will produce 85 bhp horsepower, and it comes with 5-speed automatic manual transmission. Both the variants you can expect automatic and manual, and it will be launched in second half of 2021. That's what we expect, and it is based on alpha model, and it comes with a lot of premium features, like it comes with integrated spoilers, split headlamp, cladding on doors like how we get in Tata Nexon, and it gets flat bottom steering wheel with 7-inch instrument cluster, automatic climate control, and you can see a lot of other features in it, what you see in Nexon or in Altros, and it might share the instrument cluster with Altros. So we can expect Tata would aggressively price it. Expectation is between 5.8 to 6.2 because this should be above Altros and less than Nexon. So you can expect the ex-showroom price somewhere around 5.8 to 6.2. And these are few images of Tata HPX. And the next car would be MG Hector Plus. Yes friends, MG Hector hit होने के बाद MG Hector thought that it will come up with a new model with 6-seater or 7-seater. MG Hector compared to Seltos competition, Seltos को ठीक competition दे रहा, मगर Seltos के sales के figures में we can't compare that with MG Hector, but relatively it's performing well. It's performing well than Tata Harrier. So they are planning to come up with 6-seater, 7-seater, and they're calling this as MG Hector Plus. So as per our information, it will share same engine with Hector Plus only. I mean with Hector Plus also, even though it's a 6-seater, 7-seater, because MG Hector ka engine both powerful hai, and you can see it will produce close to 143 PS bhp, and for petrol, and it will produce close to 170 PS for diesel, 2-liter diesel. So we are expecting that there won't be any change in terms of engine specs, but you can expect some minor changes to towards front and back side. Front side में you can see some changes. Headlights थोड़े sharp कर दिए, and you can expect some changes at the back side also. And it is expected to launch in Q2 of 2021, and its base variant probably start from 14 lakhs as per the public domain. Not sure about it. So and this is how it looked like, back profile, and this is side profile. And our next model would be, it is Maruti Jimny. It was displayed at 2020 Delhi Auto Expo, and let me tell you, it was complete eye catcher when it was displayed in Auto Expo. And it is expected to launch around Q3 in 2021, maybe festival season में, Dasara Diwali season में 2021 में you can expect it launch. And it would compete with Thar, and in European and American market, Maruti Jimny 3-door variant available रहता, मगर I don't expect India में 3-door variant उतना बड़ा hit होता, so they might come back with 5-door variant. This is our expectation, but we don't know anything whether it will launch with 3-door variant or 5-door variant, and we are expecting, as per few public domains, it comes with 7-inch touchscreen, and it would be 4x4. Of course, 4x4. It would be complete off-road vehicle. So, abhi Thar, I can't compare this with Thar because Thar has a lot of expectations, and it is living up to its expectation. But we are expecting this would compete with Thar. Time would say whether it would really compete or whether it will come close to Thar or not. So I have few images of it. So this is how it looked like, and I'm eagerly waiting for this model to see how would be customers' response for it, whether they will choose Maruti Jimny or Thar. So guys, these are the 5 cars which are most awaited in market, and थोड़े कार के launch dates delay हुए because of COVID pandemic, so we expect them to be launched very soon. And if you like this video, please like it, and please subscribe to my channel, and please support me, and thanks for watching. Bye.